Welcome. Today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you that the device comes with the silicone case inside the box. So first we'll just open the box here. We got the paper just case from our phone, and as can you see here, we got the silicone case inside. So as can you see, our HUAWEI P50 Pro comes with the silicone protective case, the clear one, inside the box. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.